Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 18th March 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, at this present time, this life of yours is extremely valuable because you have come out of the limited and gone into the unlimited. You know that you are the ones who benefit this world. Question: by making which effort do you claim a right to the Father's inheritance? Answer: only by constantly maintaining the vision of brotherhood and removing all consciousness of man and woman can you claim a full right to the Father's inheritance. However, it is very difficult to remove the consciousness and vision of man and woman. For this, you need to practice remaining soul conscious. When you become a child of the Father, you receive the inheritance. Only those who become Satopradhan, by having remembrance of the one Father, can claim the inheritance of liberation and liberation in life. Song is: at last the day for which we had been waiting has come. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. In order to become pure, make firm your vision of all souls being brothers. Then, as children of Father Brahma, you are all brothers and sisters. Both you souls and your bodies have to be purified and made Satopradhan. Renounce body consciousness. Number 2. Become master knowledgeful and give everyone this knowledge of the Creator and creation and thereby remove them from their extreme darkness. Do spiritual service of the people who are residents of hell and make them into residents of heaven. Blessing for today. May you be filled with jewels of experience by going into the depths of this knowledge and becoming a master ocean of knowledge. Details are: the children who go into the depths of this knowledge become filled with the jewels of experience. One is to listen to this knowledge and relate it to others, and the other is to become an embodiment of experience. Those who are experienced remain constantly imperishable and free from obstacles. No one can shake them. Maya is not successful in anything she tries to do to those who are experienced. Those who are experienced are never deceived, and so you must continue to increase your experience and thereby become an embodiment of every virtue. Use your churning power to accumulate a stock of pure thoughts. Slogan is: an angel is one who is beyond any subtle arrogance of a body. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Adopt the culture of truth and good manners. Complete truth is based on purity. If there is no purity, there cannot be constant truth. Impurity is not just the vice of lust, for it also has companions. So, to be greatly pure means that there should be no name or trace of impurity, for only then can you become an instrument for God's revelation.